Come on, bring this one and you
You go law school.
You go.
Who is the lawyer?
You go law school.
When they want if they want
you
to find lawyer, now you they find.
I go expose you.
Huh?
I don't they hide you now. I don't they hide you now. Bring this thing, come here.
Okay, take care. If you say you want to expose me,
I go expose you.
Take care and maintain the oath of secrecy.
Don't worry. Come. Bring money. You the mad? Come, bring this money.
My friend, get out.
Waiting. You the grace?
How?
If I slap, if I wound you,
slap who?
I go finish you.
Finish who?
Who you be?
Who are you?
You think I don't know? I don't know who you be.
Who?
These are people. I go expose you.
Expose me, go sit down. Who are you? I be witchcraft.
You do past witchcraft. You all this thing. I know where we.
Can you handle this?
All this thing. Wait me this one.
A legal luminary?
Wait me this one.
A first degree lawyer?
See, no.
Are you telling me that?
Okay, now.
I am the barrister
come on,
at law.
Make I see you.
How no go pass?
Go, come on.
My friend, go and sit down.
Go
to your own law school.
Come here. You mad? You the Chris? You want use me play?
Wait, can you handle this?
Bring the money. Yeah, welcome. Welcome.
The barrister, ne? I know see una for court.
Oh, so now today all the barristers supposed come court come sit.
Now that place that they come from.
Hey, yeah, no worry, no problem. Barrister know the house, but you go they go. When barrister come, I go tell and say you come. But for your case, no worry. No just worry at all. We must make sure say you win the case. Just go. But it will cost you small money again. No.
Me give you money again. I don't pay finish, ne?
No be like that. But you just go gather yourself. Make sure say you pay. They go, nothing. No worry. Just but you go make sure say you find small money. You come join am. But I'm not paying. I finished now. Don't punish you. I want chance to enter too. Hey you, come here, idiot. Come this place. You see, I don't pity you. Otherwise, I for just expose you and tell her who you.
Now get out.
Come on, get
expose
out.
Me. Wait till I be now witchcraft. I be witchcraft.
I just pity you.
What did he say?
He come now. They ask you about our job. Why you no see us from court today? All the other people come, and just from that place they come. You no see us. You know all those kind of nonsense.
And so what did you say?
I discharge at one time. Right?
How?
Tell us saying go bring small money join me. I'm making the go. Say parents are not there. You don't understand.
You are a real sensible person.
Before uncle.
In fact, you have sense. It's just like as if you were a barrister.
So that's so it be. I tell us that look, we go back to where we start before the man come. The money. You must share the money for. I don't tell you.
No money. No money.
I say bring out that money. Give my check.
My friend, don't. Oh my God!
No, let me tell people this thing.
Why are you? What?
When I
fallacy.
Expose you, no go like.
Expose me? Am I witchcraft? Can you handle this?
Wait me this.
Can you handle this?
Wait me this.
Can you handle this?
Bring the money.
Which money?
Bring this money now.
My friend, give me.
Bring money.
I can't fight you. I will not glorify you by standing to fight you in public.
See, listen. Bring that money.
Bring the law.
Bring the money.
Bring the law.
Bring the money.
Bring the law.
Oga Gamma.
Hey! sorry, abeg.
Hey.
No vex.
Now wow,
Hey.
I carry cloth go your shop now make you sew for me. I don't come see I say make I come
Okay. Now the thing say we tell her. We know they tire. I just tire, give myself public holiday.
Oga Gamma.
Even if as I dey here sef, I don't fit the rest. I think they measure the court too. I tell you.
Okay,
I don't know when sleep come collect.
measure this one so that I want where I'm go church on Sunday.
No problem. I go measure my book dey here. I tell you, I dey measure since in the court.
So which time go soon now?
No worry. Now me go give you style.
Okay, see you. Oga Gamma.
Hey!
It's short now.
You no short. You no short.
You
You
say you be original.
no be today now. No be today. You go long?
No, now. From here.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
Tight. See.
You don't go tight.
No, put small.
Okay, make I put small.
Listen, my wife done this small. I don't know what they do myself.
Sorry. You go there better. Is they good like this?
No. Wait now.
Okay. We go add it. Okay. You want to make it small? Okay. You there.
Oh, God, man. Hey! Hey!
Now slip of hand.
Now for you. You never change. Be careful, though.
No
I
one.
don't want to make it long too much.
You no go long. Hey, I don't measure finish. No worries, they go. Everything there alright.
No, now. Finish the measurement so I will not spoil my clothes.
Aye, if we export them, you both see them. Aye, you go run mad. Forget, no worry. They go.
I beg in the name of God, no spoil my clothes.
Hey, I don't know you two they talk.
They pursue me now.
No be that pursue you, but to go. Expensive. You come? How you dey?
I did fine.
Welcome.
Thank you. So what are you doing here?
No be my house.
I thought you said you're importer, exporter. Or have you suddenly become a tailor?
Tell her. Are they crazy? What did they tell her for? This thing when you see me they do here, and they try to create a very powerful design. When I design and finish, send them obodo Oyibo see them, you go run mad. And I think what they do. Okay. Make it sit down.
No, I'm going somewhere. That reminds me, what of your taxi?
My taxi?
Yeah, so you could drop me.
Okay, my taxi. I don't export them. I export them go the factory where build them. Make them, you get small problem, the headlamp. No good there.
How can you say you sent back your taxi to abroad? Because of common headlamp.
Headlamp?
Headlamp that you can get anywhere.
The headlamp will not come on at all. If you look the whole Nigeria, you no go see them. If no be that factory and the country where do them, nothing for you. I beg, no vex. Get wetin I want ask. You go marry me? I say whether you go marry me.
No, I'm occupied.
You occupy?
I have a man in my life.
You have a man in your life. Forget the man, come out time for your life. Carry me, put there. Why you go tell me say you occupy?
I might have to go.
You there go. This girl must marry me. How many months you go remain? Make this my friends the madness end so that I go get the money. If it be 2 months, so if expensive, you give me 2 months, I go just marry him straight.
Yeah, no problem.
The law is no respecter of persons.
What is it now?
Yes.
Yes.
Sit down.
Yes, waiting we fit do for you.
Barrister, I get problem.
You get plenty problems or problems. Which one?
Problem.
Okay, problems. Better. Because if na problems, let me say that big money, but problems now, we go fit consider you. So what happen?
Now our masquerade. Our masquerade come to my house and destroy all my properties.
Wait. Your masquerade came to your house and destroyed your property.
Yes.
So what thing you want to do?
I want to sue him to court.
Over to barrister.
Beautiful. You see, your work is not in vain. You have come to the real sewing machines. We are the ones who are going to sew this masquerade, to court for you. It depends whether it is masquerade church screwed, Aladura screwed, no, or the traditional screwed. It depends on what you want. We will all sew them.
So now what we go do?
Take am easy. You dey talk and like say you dey perform for. Now what we go do? Take am easy. Ask somebody. Now what we go do? Simple. So your question is a very good question coming from a very beautiful woman like you. You go bring money. Yes, bring money because you know they easy to just go arrest masquerade, carry and begin go court. It go cost you.
Like how much?
Okay, you bring like 150,000 naira only. Then if we need more money, we go let you know.
Hey, barrister, hey, I don't have such a money.
How much do you have?
250 naira.
250 naira?
Yes.
Now be say you no get skits. You no want make we help you at all.
I beg, like, you am for the other side.
Huh? Which side? Okay.
Well, we don't usually accept things like this, you know, but you know, we like helping.
You don't marry?
No.
You never marry?
Yes.
What be your name?
My name is Akugo Wine.
Oh, Coco Wine.
Akugo
Wine. Please stand up, please. Come this way, please. Turn around, huh? Bupu.
You wait, turn, rotate it round.
Okay, sit down.
You can sit down.
So, if it carry, like MC Hammer.
Like this side.
It depends, because you know it depends on the. Meanwhile, right now, are you in a lorry? In a worry, in a hurry to go anywhere?
Yes.
No, me first. As the lawyer, barrister at law.
Prayer.
Yes?
Can't you see they are mad people? What do you want to pray here?
Come on. Don't worry yourself. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me.
Pastor, please don't go closer to them.
You can see what I'm telling you. No, relax. You can see. I believe God. I know God will heal them. Don't worry yourself. Come on.
Okay,
Let's pray for them, okay?
Let's pray.
Let's pray for them. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. In the wonderful name of Jesus.
Amen.
Omnipotent Father, Ancient of Days. Father, I want to thank you for these brothers this afternoon, Father. Father, because of you live, they shall see tomorrow. Father, whatever problem is what they are facing right now, maybe the spirit of madness, whether they committed atrocity or not, Father, I don't care. Amen. Because by the name of Jesus Christ, every knee shall bow,
Amen.
every tongue shall confess
Amen.
that Jesus Christ is Lord.
Amen.
Here right now,
Yes,
I decree, I proclaim in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Receive your healing.
Yes,
in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
And the power. Receive your healing. Receive your healing. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. I declare any spirit of madness to leave
on
you.
your head.
In
On your
Jesus'
leg.
name.
Fire.
Receive your healing.
Fire. On your leg.
Receive your healing.
On your leg.
I declare right now whatever power is putting you astray from God, I declare let the healing come to you. Power! Power! Receive your healing.
Yes, Lord.
In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Power!
Amen.
We thank you, Jesus. We thank you, Jesus. We thank you, Jesus.
Thank you so much.
We thank you, Jesus.
God, thank you so
Brother,
much.
relax yourself. Relax, it's okay. I believe God. You were actually mad. And I know by the name of Jesus Christ, you are healed.
Me, man.
Relax yourself, okay? It's well. You can get up, okay? You can get up. Go to your houses, you can wash yourself, okay? Everything is okay, yeah. It's okay. You're healed.
Man.
Yeah, you're healed. You're healed.
You're healed.
You're okay.
Pastor, you have the holy boy here.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey, Bakanda, Yaboko Soliva Santa. Shady Mama, thank you, Jehovah. Ancient of days, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Brother, you okay? You can rise now. You can go to your houses and wash yourselves, okay? You're cool now. You're relieved. You're healed. You're healed. You're healed.
What happened? What happened, Atas? What happened?
What did you talk about my body?
Hey! Huh? Who give me this? No, you give me this. What did you tell for my body? Hey!
Brothers, gentlemen.
You give us drink?
No.
Huh?
Calm down. Just calm down.
How dare you?
Relax yourselves, okay? Actually, you were mad, okay? You were mad, but I believe God. God has done
No, let me give you slap.
You're healed. I thank God for you. Hey, Bakanda Yamoko Soliba Santa. Hey, Bakanda Yamoko
Raise your hand and
Santa.
praise God.
Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Ancient of Days. Thank you, Jehovah. Thank you, El Shaddai. Thank you, Jesus.
Huh?
It's okay.
Pastor, get up.
It's okay.
Get up, man. Take go.
Calm down.
Huh?
Calm down.
Do you have a
He has done it.
Hey.
He has done it. Calm down.
What should look at? Atas,
Calm
you
down.
put this here.
Calm down.
Oh.
Okay?
Should
Calm
look
down.
at you.
He has done it. Sister, I told you. God is so wonderful. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Wow. It's not, but don't worry, we will. Anyhow, we will.
Good day, gentlemen.
Good day.
How can we help you?
Sit down first. Remove that coat. Make breeze for enter your body. Because if you like say you trek from a long distance before you came to this our chamber.
Yes, I actually came from a far place. Yes, this is my hometown. I've been away from this village for the past 35 years.
Okay, hold on there. That thing don't be waiting with me. We know they attend to local case. Our case now, federal and international case, now we handle here. But as it be so, it be like say your own introductional case. Because you just enter, you never even tell us what be your case or what bring you come. You don't begin tell us say you come from the city, you've been away for 35 years. No be what you want here. Tell us what bring you come here, make we charge you money. Or this my learned barrister here will ask you to come out from our chamber.
Exactly.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm Barrister Eno.
Okay.
When I came into the village yesterday, I was told we have lawyers in the village.
Yes.
I decided to come and associate myself with you people.
Okay.
Oh. You're welcome.
How long have you been practicing?
We no understand that question.
I mean, when were you called to bar?
No. Now that you make mistake. No bar for this village, they call us. Now we they take our hand, they choose the bar where we they enter. Even before you come, no quack bar with us this morning, the shack. You never tell when we resume duty for this our chamber. We don't think when we know shack. Even from 1 year bar. My brother, if we carry you go there, you test our permit. I swear to God, you no go back to city again.
We run things don't run us. We are the ones to call bar and not bar calling us.
That is not what I mean. I mean bar, being called to bar.
What do you mean? Okay, I understand. You know, city people and how you people. I understand. It's beer bar. Oh yeah, download.
No. Apart from the permit, when I don't tell you, we still get beer bar. When we finish, now go carry go junction. My brother, if you enter junction, see beer bar. No type of beer, no day. No type of meat, bush meat, pepper soup, unkwabio. Forget everything. We go use download after shacking the beer. When we finish, now go shack. Go shack.
You see, what I mean is this. Before you start practicing as a qualified lawyer, you have to be called to bar.
What is this thing now about bar? What? Okay. Now, as you say, you are barrister. When have you been barristering? All these things that you are saying, okay, I put it for you. When, if you say you are a barrister, I put it for you. When did you or have you registered with this our company internationally? Objection sustained.
Objection overruled. Barrister, you see, for this our industry, our profession, we barrister, we get language where barrister they use.
Yes.
Talk any barrister language where you know, make we hear.
How do you mean?
Oh, you won't come here and claim our own power inside our own chambers and domestic domain of the law.
Well, I'm a son.
Huh?
Hey, what do you mean?
Sir, let me say in the Aja. But as they take talk up, we will remove that door. Then we go make a sand. We go call and sand. Then when they walk on, we will remove that door. It will be sand. So it just be Aja.
Excuse me. Do you really mean you guys are not lawyers in the first place?
Oh my God! What is this thing about the bar? Sand, gravel, lawyer, first place. How many places have you seen this chamber? Is it not only one place? What is this now? You're saying sand after you say you're gravel, after you say you're building material. What is your problem?
I now know that you guys are fake. And this is a serious constitutional offense. Yes. And it is called impersonation.
If I say you know Sabi book, you go like side insult you. You look two of us, sit down here. How two of us go manage do? Impregnation. How you go take impregnate one girl at the same time?
Oh,
you dey claim say you Sabi book.
I know what to do.
What you go do?
I shall get you guys arrested. Yes. I shall get you guys arrested for dragging legal profession to the court.
Hey!
Nonsense.
Hey! Did you see rain fall here? Do you see mud around this village that we are dragging legal? Look at him. He's wearing good. Go and say rat poison. No.
Serious case.
Federal case.
Hey.
Agama. Anyway, I came to collect money for my hair. I want to renew it.
You want to renew your hair? Na motor particulars where you want to renew. They renew hair? Okay, no problem. If you want to renew, no problem. You get my friend wait there for licensing office. I go call and come. You go come collect your hair, renew them. Anyway, na joke and a joke. You see, make you write the list where you want. List of wetin you want. Give me tomorrow my container land. I give you money. You go buy them.
How long will it take this container of yours to arrive? I mean, am I sure you have any container?
You dey doubt me? No worry, make you continue to doubt me, yeah? You don't know me, that's why you talk like this. If you know me, once I tell you something, you don't collect them. Just write your list. Write your list. As far as you know, they're less than 500,000.
500,000?
If it be more.
What will I be doing with such an amount of money?
500,000. Is it the money where they dance girls for China? Foreign currency. Dollar, pound. Hey, even self, I don't call my customer officer. He talk say my container don't land for Cameroon. Say the visa for the container don't come out. Say tomorrow you go enter my shop. That's why I dey go Lagos. I go travel go Lagos go clear am.
That's why you give me money.
That's it. Hey, you don't know.
So, how many containers are we talking about? I mean, how many
feet? Hey! The thing tall feet. It tall reach 100 to 200 feet. It tall, fine.
Come on, that's not possible. It's not possible. It's either 20 or 40 feet.
20 or 40 feet? That means wetin I dey suffer for now. If na 20 or 40 feet, wetin I dey here dey suffer. That means say na feet less. You no get feet at all.
So your own kind of container is the one that has the 120 feet.
Big. Once the money come, I carry money like this. Pia, turn your nose. Turn your nose. You see this your lips wey be like oyibo own. I take am gum am. You go just come woro.
And I go wash you, cut on white.
I don't know why. If I make me turn white, I go carry you go Obodo Oyibo. Na there we go stay. We dey deceive Oyibo people. Let them say we be Oyibo. Everything go dey good. Don't look me as I dey like this, oh. As I dey like this, na kidnappers I dey fear. No, make you no think. I fit even carry slippers go anywhere where I dey go. Come back, come chop money. Na so.
No wahala. Wait.
No.
Tomorrow go soon come.
Tomorrow day land. Even this time, me and you fit go Lagos, we go clear.
Are you serious?
I tell you, we go take plane.
Agama.
Hey. Yeah, fly.
My newest boyfriend.
Money, nothing where people never do for money. Some go beg, some go thief too for money. To get fine baby and buy fine car. I got man in friends, they suffer for naira. Ijego, money matter. You get a CP. Ijego, to get a naira. You know easy, oh. Ijego, I don't waka. I don't suffer tire. I don't know the day where my luck go shine, oh. Ijego, money matter. You get a CP. Ijego, to get a naira. You know easy, oh. Ijego, I don't waka. I don't suffer tire. I don't know the day where my luck go shine, oh. Ijego. Ijego, money matter. You get a CP. Ijego.
I'm sorry, my friends. The pastor spoiled everything. See. The egg you ate is supposed to cure you and give you money. But the pastor prayed and spoiled everything you have labored for.
You know they hear waiting with the talk. We no beg am. We just dey craze our own dey go.
You don't see where person wey mad, they no saying they craze.
Can you imagine? We just dey craze dey go.
We dey waka for road, somebody come pray for. How person wey dey mad, they know when pastor come. Whether he heal us, we don't know even when they heal us. You know what he mean to mad for 365 days. He can't remain only one day. Pastor can't heal us.
You see that enemy of progress? Begin pray for us. Once we were. When this remain just one day.
Now you say money no go come again.
I beg. I don't say you know how you go do this thing to repair them. I beg. No, it's not easy. Not be our fault.
We don't suffer now. Make you invoke the madness back for one day. Make we mad, then get the money.
I'm sorry. It can't work like that.
Everything what they talk, you say it can never work like that. Can never work.
Okay, no, give me the meaning of madness.
You know what we suffer? You know the trekking waiting for madness? All the vigilante where they flog us for night. Rain fall on top of our body, sun shine and we.
This madness what we mad, it is that small thing. 365 days.
Cheer, if you love yourself, just repair this thing now. What did they worry you?
Listen to me. If you want money, you have to start afresh. You have to run mad for 1 year again, another 1 year. 1 year.
Don't fire you there.
Chineke.
No. If you blow anything, don't start it.
Okay, make us mad though.
If you blow anything.
I don't start to the mad though. I don't start. Make us mad.
What did they
worry you? I tell you, make us mad.
It is a man.
Hey!
So mad easy.
I'm warning you.
Juju make us mad.
Your destiny is in your hand.
Now lie.
Why you come Satan before? When you carry KS, you give us.
Not blow anything.
Leave you go where?
I go surprise you. Not blow anything.
Now lie. Anything what you do today.
Leave now.
Not you go do that the play.
Leave now.
Hey!
Who dey here?
Well, we people dey live for this yard. Nepa, don't come on, Nepa.
Who's this here?
If they not bring a bill, I go cut this wire now. Nepa,
Ogamuna wait now. Look, no cut.
you don't pay.
I paid yesterday now.
Give a licking fee.
Where did you pay this thing for?
The office where they control the light of this zone.
Shut up. Which office?
Nepa
Ziba,
office,
come on,
now
your office I am coming from. Do you know where I'm coming? Where I'm coming from? The federal office in Abuja, in the presidential office of the NEPA, of the PHCN, and you are talking about this thing. Who told you this is our? In fact, take this. It is fake.
This is NEPA bill.
Which NEPA bill?
Is
this our bill? Is our bill like this? Just look at, imagine. It has stamp like area market ticket. See, our bill has hole. Can our bill have hole everywhere? Just look at hole everywhere in the bill that we give to you. Take. And you know where this bill come from. Look at you.
Madam, go
Why you not accept them now? Eh?
Why will I accept it?
Madam, what do you talk? Make I see the bill.
See stamp. See hole.
No NAFDAC number. No EFCC number.
Can you imagine?
Not even a plate number.
No NAFDAC number. By the time you turn our bill everywhere around the world, oh yes, turn it upside down, you will see that it has expiry date and manufacturing date right in front and beneath. All our bills everywhere in the world, oh yes.
Why you not gonna take them?
Where's your meter?
My meter is inside. Forget about that one. Make we talk the one we will talk.
Offense number 2. I put it for you that you are guilty of illegal connection. Look at you, just look at this wire, negative and positive, you're making it to mix in all the illegal connection of the NEPA. Who told you that it is allowed by the law? It is punishable by NEPA.
Now me do it. Now me connect the light.
Who connected what?
Madam, we go cut this light.
We are cutting this.
No cut am. Okay.
Come there, wait, madam, wait. Nothing from your own.
Wait, go cut am.
No cut am.
Wait. Wait. Do you know when I start NEPA? What is
madam, wait, make I talk to the house. Come, my.
No.
What do you mean, worry?
Huh?
You want to You think you joke with your life? I will leave you. One day as I make the difference to shock you. Chop up. What do you go tell your boss? You shut up. You sabi anything about it. Just hurry to help.
No be up. I did go.
Now make the difference to shock you. Every time you go there, hurry. What do you sabi? You sabi the positive or the negative?
Shut up. If I don't do this thing, how do you?
Madam. Come. Wait, talk here. I don't talk to her. I just tell her the feel and time now. Make it feel and make it look fine.
Bring government. Bring settlement.
Not like that, you know.
I'm going. Going.
Okay. Come down from there, idiot. You could do. If this will do 15 now, my brother, you do. Madam, with the way to come down from that place.
Bring, come.
Hey! No. This type of thing no good at all. Who be this man wey just come spoil the business? Business wey I don plan for years. I don calculate wetin I go take money do. Where I go put this money, put that money, put everything. Everything go calculate. I go become rich man. Sit down for house, dey chop money. This man just come fall my hand. Just see. Why they look me like this?
You well?
How?
So na my madness you dey wait for since before you go make money?
You no be my friend.
You dey craze? As we be friend, you know say to craze easy. Why you no craze?
All of us must not craze.
But all of us go fit spend money.
Your money na my own now.
But my madness no be your madness. You dey mad. Waka. Dey craze.
Na wetin dey worry you?
If you talk, I go remove those 2 eyes for you. What dey worry you? I dey talk wetin dey pay me. You dey hear dey use am play.
Anyway, I know wetin to do. That man I dey go meet am. He must calculate all the money when I suppose spend give me. If I leave am, you know say no be me.
Everybody wey I know, if you get problem na you go tell pastor say okay I get problem pray for me. I no beg you. I dey craze my own dey go for street. I beg you. This man no catch us begin pray.
And una leave am.
We know wetin we dey do. No be Holy Spirit hold us.
Holy Spirit hold una. Which Holy Spirit? Abi na mad spirit hold una.
See, this thing no be joking. Na some bad thing happen.
How you go bring Holy Spirit to this type of thing? You don comot.
You know your house. I no go take this. I no go fit use this to play at all. That man, is either he give me money wey I for make or I kill am. This is no sharp.
Who did this yard?
Who did this yard?
When I do the NEPA bill. When I NEPA bill.
Where's your NEPA bill?
Your NEPA bill.
I am going to disconnect light from this compound and you will be in perpetual darkness. The same darkness that covered the face of the earth before God said let there be light. That is what you are going to see. Now,
what will be your problem now?
Wait. Let's take one fool at a time. You, what are you saying?
The problem is we don't get money.
You?
No money.
And you? And you? Oh, the chorus is I do not have money. And you think you can rob the law?
Oh boy,
you can rob God.
No begging. I no beg. We know them for begging.
You cannot rob.
No begging. No beg anybody.
I beg now.
We don't give.
I go call you tomorrow. Santos, come down, not there for this one. You go cut this line. Zacchaeus, come down, no there for this one. Don't go near. Zacchaeus, come down, I know there for this one. Stay there.
Look with me. I be never. I don't know. I don't need a beg. I know one come.
Catch him up. Nothing. Nothing.
I know ram. I beg leave me.
Why you carry the
Nine give me. Say back and hold her. I know what.
Carry him up. Hold that one.
What thing?
If Agama fit drag that pastor come here, if Agama fit bring that man come here.
You know trust Agama. Agama go tell the man say make him come heal some other mad people. They say them plenty. I trust him.
If Agama, you know all those things why they tell you say I go kill person. You go see him this night. You go see action.
As we don't come out from this trouble where we come out now. No go kill anybody.
You go see action.
No be there.
Thank you. See the man.
Now be this.
Now the man be this.
Peace be unto this house.
Which peace? Fire you.
Which peace? Where you see that peace? No open your mouth to talk peace at all. Because now what you can't see here. You see how? I just deceive you, roll your head. Tell you say you dey come heal people where they die. You know say that the dead body where you don't kill, now you can't carry. See them. You know say the madness where you go cure. Madness where nobody beg you to cure. No be ordinary madness. You see him?
How do you mean?
You are asking how do you mean? Is that what you ask? So you, if you never come for road to see any mad person, you will just heal them like that. You know not say our own madness na ritual madness. Ritual madness was supposed to last for 1 good year. Kai! And after that 1 year, we don't blow.
Oh.
But before that 1 year, only 1 day remaining, you truncated our hope of getting rich. You just cut off the tenure of our madness. Bam!
What? You have to go that far?
Sister Henshaw, you don't come out from here.
Who be this?
You the Chris?
Who they talk? Mary Magdalene. See, I no get problem with you. So just come on for road, may you not collect another person slap. You the Chris? We beg you. Eh? So when you just see people they crazy, they not beg you for healing. You go heal them. Guy, see, you no go fit tell me say you not get money. All the offering and tithe, now you dey chop am.
Oh.
If you know wetin good for you, just enter your house now, wherever it is. Write check and write better money they give us as compensation. If not, wetin me and you go do today?
Gentlemen, as a matter of fact, I believe I wouldn't know this is the kind of madness you people were undergoing. After all, it is the Almighty God that ministered to me to go and help you, to go and heal you. To go and help you.
You will die. See who got the minister.
You the mad. I was going to heal you. I ministered to heal you. See as you don't shake head like a gamma lizard. See am now. If you don't deceive you, you don't come out forgetting and fed them. You don't come out. See, make I tell you, the only thing where you fit do, carry check, write them. Write them, give us our money plus including damages. Because you just carry my container sink am without even telling me. No worry. You go see. I swear. If you come out here without blow, call me nonsense. Spirit will minister to you to heal us of our madness. That spirit don't tell you say this madness na ritual madness. And these boys were working
to their millionaire point. Our target was to become a multi-millionaire. Look at how you just come use scissors. Bam! Cut the money we're supposed to get. You see now, that spirit is nothing to tell you, say, make you know that they call administration. No?
You know how far.
Anyway, I wouldn't want to waste my time here. I just want to clear this air. Put it to your ears that I don't go about with check. Moreover, I can't pay you. I'm a man of God. I'm doing my job. I can't.
Yeah.
You say what?
Calm down, sir.
You say you can't
Let's
pay.
do this thing amicably. Calm
Hello,
down.
sir. You say you can't pay.
Sir, please calm
No,
down.
I don't hear you. You say you can't pay.
I can't pay.
You can't pay.
Leave him alone now.
You can't pay.
I can't
Come inside, you don't go. Hey!
Leave him alone.
Come inside, you don't go.
The house.
Hey, take me something.
I know now it is the house. What is your problem with the house? I saw her drive past that time.
If you know sure, make we just come out here begin.
It's a Jama house.
How you take this today? How you take me?
I sense.
Oh. So, make we wait now. We just in our house. Don't hear any house. Somebody must come out now, or she will come back. We will meet her. Machine the time.
See,
how you take me? Say na moto.
I know things now. It's a Jama house. I know.
Hi. Onojie.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing here?
Actually, we come handle the Abuja bomb blast.
Yes.
Yes.
Any blast. We are professional bomb detonators. We can detone any bomb. Bomb, even knockout and banger.
Really? Okay.
The thing is going up. It has gone up. The thing.
Just give me a minute, okay?
Hey!
Abdul?
Yes, ma'am.
Is Daddy out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just go get me my laptop, okay?
Okay,
it's in the sitting room.
Okay, madam.
So, let's go inside now, okay? We'll have it quiet. You too.
Don't hold him. Hold me alone.
So what are you doing now? You want to go into kidnapping business?
We are not talking that we are going into kidnapping. We are saying that we want to start a kind of kidnapping system by sending letter of threat of kidnapping to some people, demanding money from them. That is our own kidnapping. We send a letter of kidnapping threat to them. Simple.
That's it.
So then go fear.
Well, it's a risky one.
Is it?
And how do I come into the picture?
Who they talk about picture? Huh? When you come here just now, did anybody introduce anybody to you as photographer? We dey talk serious business here, you dey mention picture. See, your work dey very simple. We will give you list. Write people name, give you list. You write letter to them. Finish.
And I hope the letter is going to yield money because I don't indulge myself in fruitless ventures.
Yeah.
Wait, where you see him?
Now my person. I say make I help him. Instead of him to the waka, they enter inside one room or the other, they collect money. I say make we take this one, making they take salary from here.
So now you go bring somebody who won't give work, where they interview us.
Person won't help a person about them. All these girls where they work every time, club every time, this one. I say make I bring them back home.
Just write letter. When you write and finish, whether we chew am, whether we burn am, whether we... And nothing concern you after that one.
Make we go
Take and go toilet. You know, concern you.
Like I've said before, it's a risky business. And I hope you know the implications.
Implication? Which waiting risky for inside to write letter? No. Come, wait till you tell us say we not fit write letter. Because the way she talk, they talk like say to write letter now what kind work?
I should a simple thing, Abi.
Yes.
I make her go inside and bring Byron and paper, give you, make you write them.
God punish you if you not bring that paper now. Shift.
No, wait.
No, make her write am.
No, wait.
Wait.
Write
this thing.
Leave am.
You know sabi English again? I think say you go school. Just carry this thing, carry paper. Write wetin you wan write. When we give am to them, then go fear. When they fear, then collect money give us. We never even get people. You dey talk about phone number.
This kind of thing now you suppose you get one kind of mind we suppose to join us. We will grow this company together.
Yes.
God do. Your letter bring one person, the team bring money, we increase your salary. You write another letter, you bring money, we increase your salary. Small, before you know it, you don't become director for the company.
In fact, then you go even chop us.
If not be say, woman handwriting, you get as they be.
Now this thing we for write am.
Anyway, for each letter I go write, I will collect 50,000 naira.
May cockroach just kiss that your mouth. May cockroach just give you a passionate kiss that you will never forget. 50,000 naira. Just to write common letter.
So now this kind of mind now you get. I don't blame you. God forbid I can't blame you. I can never blame you. Your parents will get hard, gather people, say they won't do naming ceremony. Gather, give you expensive as name. Now I blame. Everything where you see now money is something we're supposed to do free.
You get big eye. I swear you get big eye. If I get 50,000 naira, swear na Panya straight. If I enter Panya do cloth business, gather okreka, carry and come this place. If I sell them, I go get better money, become director general of my company.
You don't know before when you go bring out.
They give money.
They move for Panya.
They give money.
And we are not kidnapping.
No. How much are you paying?
Now you come. Bros, how much you will pay?
For this kind of thing, how much you
like 12 naira.
12? They can make it mad.
Me?
You dey crazy?
Because I say, they give you 12 naira per page.
Although, this abuse now, only you just collect them free of charge.
With honor.
You deserve them.
Thank you.
I know say to write letter not hard, but don't be 12 naira. We'll give you 10,000 naira.
Waiting.
I said we'll give him 10,000.
10,000 naira for waiting. How you gonna talk like this? Even you at this say you get sense. How you gonna talk 10,000? How many clothes where you see I don't sew for here? Since when you know me every day, how many clothes do I sew? Where you gonna say me can bring 10,000 naira pay? And you know say things are hard.
No, but you call her. You know that one before you go call her.
If I bring and go person see person where you go help, I bring and say make you join the business where we dey do. Now the bad thing.
I'm not gonna blame her.
Anyway, when the business start eating money, it will be 50-50 chicken.
50?
50-50.
No. No need. See, now you now get the company. Once the business start to yield money, you get the company, drive us, or if you like, retain us.
But 50-50.
I don't go. You don't go bring person where to collect our company from us.
You
now you get the company now.
You shut them up the two of them plan now.
He plan am now.
Bros, when I tell you say this thing, I tell you say we go give you big money like that.
I don't go.
You see what in the cost? Okay, see as I won't help you. You see what thing I won't do? At least make you get money, they buy pancake, buy pants, buy bra, where you go they wear. Instead of you to they walk out from one house to the other, they show yourself. See as you can't disgrace.
Okay, so this is my room. Come in.
You're wearing Nigerian flag.
Thank you. Fine room. Hey, dear man.
Oh, that's my teddy.
Your teddy?
She's pregnant.
She's pregnant.
I said thank you.
Okay, beg her. Hey,
You the vice president.
Thank you, how are you?
Oh yeah. No, don't do.
Why?
Yeah,
Why are you so scared? It's just teddy.
As you're doing like that, my mind is blank. I feel maybe you can buy somebody.
No, but come.
Coding. Coding.
So, come on, guys. What you want to eat?
Bam! Now you come. I don't expect this question since. Correct question. Yes.
What you do is, you give me first. Give me fried beans. Beans. Roasted, some parts roasted fried beans. With fried pawpaw. Yes. Pawpaw chips.
What?
Yes, pawpaw chips. You mix it with lemongrass, sprinkle some lemongrass on top of it, and you make it baked, very baked, you see, and you add agbalum, you add agbalum, and udara juice, and sprinkle an angara on it, put Milo in it. Milo now, Milo.
I know they eat too much because doctors say I don't do over fat. So I can't take a meal now, then watch my weight. So you go give me food when you get fat.
Yes.
Like fufu. Give me fufu. Strong one, no. Don't just go use water they mix it because that water if you're soft, I go fat well. So give me that fufu. Then porridge yam. Old yam only with this new yam, this old yam, porridge yam, then put up otazi. Put otazi, then add a little picky milk. Use nchang put on top. Then meat, doctor say make I don't eat meat. So you go give me beef. So give me beef like cow tail, unkobi, or isiewu, that thing, but remove the isi. Just give me the bottle side. That is sock. Then come give me one pack of juice, big one. Oh, I know they eat too much, so to just manage.
Guys, that is poor dieting. Like seriously, you can't do this.
We're not poor.
I mean, I'm wondering how come you guys are still trained. God.
Bad diet for this simple thing what we mentioned. If you don't want to give us, don't say you don't want to give us. No, I cannot say. Waiting.
We not be haven't you heard of obesity before?
Now so we be obesity and we like this. Wow, we live for village because we the come city. So it's no good make obey follow us come city again.
We cannot transport obesity to obey village to city.
Guys. Okay. I'll give you guys coffee, okay?
Again.
Coffee.
Now our hand to work. We don't do it for village thing. If you like now, if you do coffee of your size, even give you.
No, I mean coffee, not coffee.
Okay. Oh, I understand. Cough syrup. We are not coffee. We can't be coffee. Or you think we have tuberculosis? That's cough syrup.
Yeah.
Guys, please just reduce your voice because my dad could just hear it.
Oh, your dad did?
If you must talk, just...
Your dad did?
Yeah.
But we don't shout now.
Oh my God.
We shout. We don't shout. We don't shout.
Please. If you must talk, just reduce your voice. I don't want my dad to hear it.
Just give us what we tell you. Because they do provoke. If you promise I will not do them, I swear to God, if you don't bring this thing now, hey, you go know who I be. Just go bring them.
If you don't give us what to eat soon, we can vex, and your father will know.
Okay. I'll do just that. Just calm down.
Arrange once.
Arrange.
Wait, we'll come before your dog bites.
Go and arrange. Let us speak.
No, I just was
arranging now. Yes.
Okay, but you guys just...
No problem. Hey! When you bring this food, forget! Forget!
What you're like, that thing feel bright, so you didn't like.
No, let it bright.
Bros, I say kidnapper send a letter. We don't begin to donate the money. It remains 2 persons. We're supposed to bring their own money. They could not do fast to carry the money, go give them. We then give us letter. And we don't collect our own. Since. Go give them since. We don't go submit our own since. So they don't write letter to everybody waiting for this town. Everybody. That means this land is no longer safe. Safe for See, wait till I tell you now.
make una just go carry their own money, go pay them more. Those people they bad though. Very wicked people. You know say that's what they do. They write letter to those people when they for charger.
For that bush.
Then they go they play. As they play, the day when they come, you wipe everybody waiting for that, including small people when they jump on that day. Everybody go. Then I hope they tell you the same way when I don't tell police.
Even the letter where they send to us, they write them inside and tell us say if we involve police, say everybody they go carry bomb. Finish everybody.
No, I go involve now.
No.
If we involve police, all of them from head to toe.
Now me they in charge. I go carry the money.
If we go tell police, just come kill everybody with the fire yard. Go in the village. Go to kill the mama
one by one.
Make we go before they say we dey here.
I go do am. I go meet them. I go do am sharp sharp.
I go come contribute 2 times. No.
If this thing work, if this thing manage work, oh God.
Tell me why it no go work. No, how this thing no go work? You get how your faith they do, and so they do. They do. You no get single faith. Make I tell you, Bible talk am. Say if your faith is small, like this, as wetin they call a mustard seed. Say anything where you put hand, it go work. Me, I be prayer myself, prayer minister. I dey fire prayer from morning till night, night till morning. So why you no go work?
You no go understand. If this thing manage work, people will go suffer plenty.
This thing don't work. It don't work.
You go see oppressor for town. Oh God.
They go work.
Okay. That the paragraph where you put the thread, I hope that side tight.
Yes.
Once they read that, they go fear.
Na me write am.
Not be you. I know what you write there. I say make you explain whether that side is strong.
Let me ask you the question.
Who be this?
Make tough na shut up.
No verse, I'm not here. You say waiting.
When I shut up, I won't take corner. They do now, they crazy me.
Because you write letter.
Now you employ us, Sabina, we employ you.
Yeah.
Hello?
Okay. When time for sharing, you will know
Who's on the line? Eh. I see. Hope say it complete, ba?
Not the people.
Okay. You know wetin go happen, eh? Me na secretary. So me go give the boss phone.
Who you want give? If I not here now, you give.
What's the worry?
More than not verse, the phone before for our hand. Yes, you're talking to the boss. I hope the money complete. It complete. Good. How much? You said the money how much? 100,000. Thunder fire you there. God punish you. You dey craze? Oh, you think say we dey play? See, make I tell you. If that money don't complete 1 million naira, if one kobo come out from 1 million naira from that money, everybody in that compound, in fact, the whole street will kidnap everybody. Nothing for you. You dey craze?
Come, give me this phone. You dey craze? Eh? If I curse you now, they will say I dey wicked.
You want me to say with the argue?
Get out! 100,000 naira! Now you dey say no. You don't see 100,000 naira for this your life before?
Not be business, we not go.
You try that nonsense, so. Hello? Sorry. Regular no vex, I beg. No, na small boy. No blame am, I beg. No vex. Hey, if as it be also, even if we see 50,000, we go collect. But just pay the 100,000. Drop am that place where we say make you drop am. No vex. We go come collect am. No worry. Even after we fit drop something for you. Make you take a whole conscience. Thank you. Bros, I say if I take sport this.
Are you mad? You see, I don't like people who don't get ambition. I dey try to raise the money so that if I put am for 1 million, they go drag and negotiate and come like 800.
Okay, if you put am for 1 million service off, wetin go happen? No, wetin go happen?
How much be 100,000? What you want use and buy? I want to share 100.
Thank you. Now the question wey you go ask me be that. As sudden you know dey, I give you 30. Give am 30. Take 40, manage am.
How you go take 40? Now you write am.
Na person wey write this thing na be oga.
Wetin I dey use start to do? I need money.
Who na wait?
Take 90. If na 10 naira, give me.
Na me right.
Wait,
Wait, hold this.
Sit down there. I dey talk to you. What do you want get up? If you get up, I'll cover you.
Okay, guys, listen. I'm actually going out now. You guys have to be very careful. Don't make noise and just stay here till I come back. Okay? You guys are actually quiet. Like you have something up your sleeves. What's happening?
Upstairs. What to?
Whatever. Nice day. Okay, sure.
Wow. Oh. Onojie.
No, so that thing, the past person. That thing is
Onojie.
communicable. It's communicable.
See, you're hungry.
Yawning is communicable.
You're hungry. Well.
Me too. Hungry. Even looking at how to go outside the play.
See, if you open that door. If you open that door. Open it.
Open the door, say it. Go open that door.
Why?
It's like our father is around.
No be papa in the corner. Nah, daddy. If in daddy the house, if you don't hear his voice, daddy don't tell you.
See how they feel.
See.
So they go to papa picked up to daddy.
Come look at the go with you.
My mind. They tell me say papa picked up.
Come now, stand up. Another thing just entered my mind now. There's so many people who fool this compound. They feel serious as they come out.
You still want to come out with it? I know they will again.
You know what? When they are making serious, we go tell them say you be the in-law. In-law, say now we they marry in daughter. They go let us go.
You have sense.
We won't try me. So you see now 2 of us, they marry the same girl.
So in-laws out on food search.
Come stand up with the good.
We go and see them. Say Ajulaya.
In-laws are coming.
In-laws are coming. Come my ways.
Open door.
Wait. Foul lay the egg inside. Foul lay egg inside this one. I catch her.
You know, done. You're not done. You're not done. You don't like me. You're not done. You don't eat the one we're done. You don't give me the one we're not done. You don't do. Make a lick. Eat your own we're not done, sir. I suspend this thing. Foul leg inside my mouth. This other one. You're not done. Take me to give me beef.
Well, no wonder I didn't something with you the shop. On the add weight.
Yes.
Well.
Yes.
Even with me. When you say this thing, they make us in yellow. You know this one? Yellow.
Yellow like
if you chop this one up, wow, your color will change.
This tomato hard. Because you know the belt they cut put inside this. What do they eat? I let that shoe. But they give blood. They boost our blood. Wait now! Don't do. I anoint my mouth with oil. So it takes more. Better pass better.
What's going on here? Onojie? Ngele? Well, what are you doing on my teddy in the first place? Come. Ngele. Onojie.
What?
Ngele. Why did you guys have to do that? Why?
What?
That food was served for my father. You didn't have to do that.
Oh, you should have served us now. You shouldn't have allowed us to go and do this. You would have served us the food.
And why would I want to do that?
The early next time is your fault.
Yeah, don't vex. No vex at all. Just make a next time, just the
next time.
Give us food before your father. Because small time now, you can't tell us say the food don't finish. Or say the food remains small. Then when they give us small ones, like say we'll be small children.
Now you listen to me, okay? You listen to me. That had better not repeat itself ever again. I mean, what if someone had seen you? Are you trying to put me in trouble or something? Have I done something wrong by trying to help you people? Now, that Abuja bomb blast that you guys came for, what about it?
Oh.
What are you people doing about it?
Well, yes, that is the real thing now. Thank you for coming to the main case. Brought us here. You know, I am a learned, legal, elevated luminary. You know, and I came here because of the bomb blast case. You know, the bomb blast case is a very sensitive case, and I wanted to make you an evacuee out of this compound. You know, because of the bomb blast. You see, it is a case that Nigeria hired me personally, and it is called Nigeria versus Nigeria in the criminal bomb blast.
Now you listen, and listen good. Whatever both of you are saying, I don't want to know. But you have to put your heads together and find a way to leave my house. Because I've had it up to here.
Now what do you for talk sense? You don't dey here, the blow ground as they go. Put your head together, don't be any big deal. You must bring your head.
We have a case, Nigeria versus Nigeria. Objection overruled.
Hello, Oga. You don't drop am.
Yes, sir.
I dey see you. You never drop am. You still hold am for hand. Drop am there. How many police people wey you and dem follow come?
Na only me and the money, oh.
What of that one wey dey for road?
I don't know, Oga.
You sure? I dey see you. Oh. If I raise my hand now, you go see me. You go see where we dey. They watch you. Just drop am. No look back, oh.
Why you don't go the other side now?
Anywhere when they don't go, no consign us. The thing will consign us at this moment.
Bring him.
What thing they worry you?
Bring him, make him hold on.
Me will hold am now, there be.
No, maybe be leader of this thing, the kidnapping group.
Who they will make you Oga? Let me be Oga.
You won't make we fight on top of this money?
If you want make we fight now, you don't reach money now, your eye don't dey red. What thing they worry you?
Hey, wait, one thing. Mo count this money.
Can't wait.
Mo count am. This guy would never do anything and don't they go opposite direction. That guy, na character of person where they deceive person.
Here. Police come catch us, kill us. Now so we take go.
What do we do police they catch us?
We do kidnapping.
So you know even get sense. Who we kidnap? No, where the person where we kidnap now? Where the person now where we kidnap? We just use brain. We be not true. You don't know say we get sense. You don't even know say we get sense.
So anything will happen now, na free we go so.
The money kidnap us.
You go stupid. You go.
My brother, you know when I tell you say this thing will work, nobody believed.
No, me I know say. I know.
You know why don't they shake hand like this? Shout it in Okon.
Na equal now.
It's supposed to be equal.
Like,
my own never do. My own never reach. My never reach. See the size.
Why you can't count your own? Why you no pull that we actually pull?
See how don't do.
No be small.
Join our first.
My own never do now.
Like
Give me 5.
What's in this?
What do you resemble? Take this thing.
What's in this?
What do you look like? Give her my bag.
See, Muna no insult me. Muna no carry me play at all.
Who be this?
Which kind of nonsense be this now? Eh? How you go give me 10,000 naira for 100,000 naira deal? That ain't crazy. That ain't do now.
You don't count them. You don't count them. You see the kind eye where she get. From there, you don't already know 10,000 naira. So we suppose gather all the money give you. Thief. That's what this kind of person they key company.
Bros, never
did. Commissioner?
Never they cost. What do they cost for? What?
How much she won't collect?
Why you go cost? Beg and make you take the 10,000 where you give her.
Beg for my company.
Come on, Commissioner for Women Affairs. No be for here. That Commissioner for Women Affairs where you want to do now. No be for this place. Eh? Oh, you don't even assume position.
Big post
for inside this company where you don't know how they manage for them. For a military man money. Now you want to assume position.
Now me the boss.
You.
Now me write the letter. Hi. Now give me 30,000 naira.
No.
Now me be the brain behind
Hold
the
this
business.
one
Una
first.
no carry me.
Hold this one first.
This 100,000 naira will go borrow like 300. Join her, give you.
You be idiot.
I'm robber.
You don't do anything.
You write letter. Let her be waiting. The bullets, where would they go dodge for the operation ground? You did there?
You don't go hold her.
In fact, I don't do again. No do again. I don't do again. I don't do
which kind para way they para like this?
You stand up, shift chair. See what you want.
Wait.
Wait. You go. You can second.
Wait.
Bring her home first.
Bring waiting.
I want her join.
My own never complete.
Wait, I want her join her.
My own never complete.
Why not give me this or make
my own and your go be the same thing.
You know if you happen.
Give me this or make
you bring her. You don't trust me.
I don't trust you. My own never complete. See what in I hold.
Bring her first. You go see what I want to bring her. Bring her.
The girl don't stand up. They wait for you. Now you they ask for money.
3, 4, 5. Take. The other 5 I keep on. Do not follow us.
You the grace.
You say what happened?
Muna keep her.
You say what
I'm
happened?
not right again. I'm not doing it. Muna run the business.
No. Why you say that? This is a fight. You won't fight.
You will feel
make I use you. Make I use you design this place now.
If you try
Huh?
If you try
You saw?
I go.
Come, Akas.
Wait. Now you don't fight woman. What did they worry you?
If this guy
don't fight woman.
She don't know say she be woman before she begin stand up.
not read that one now.
Nonsense.
If this girl make mistake carry you for leg, you are finished though.
Every time person go do something, don't stand up. Hey, I go backhand you. What thing? Bros, cool down. Yeah, cool down. You see as we dey here and all of us dey here. Not only me and you get sense for this place. You know say these people na former madmen. They don mad before. So we go plan how we go take do this thing, do am well. See person wey no follow us go. Na me and I follow the carry head dey dodge this bullet wey dey talk.
Agama, say wetin?
I say una be former madmen. You know mad? No be you take your hand choose mad.
Abuse my papa, I fit forgive you. You see that madness side where you go so? You dey craze?
No be you collect madness.
Hey! I know that you want to fight.
Yeah.
Hey, no, take a me so. Mona, give me the money, my hold.
I go kill you. I go kill you.
Why, sir?
Good day, sir. Not every day is good. Now, could you please tell me who entered this house?
So nobody entered the house, sir.
So nobody, sir.
Are you alright?
Yes, sir.
I said somebody entered this house. Wasted to my dining.
Ate my food. Left only empty plates for me. And you tell me you did not see anybody.
I have been in my duty places, ma'am. Yes, sir.
You are telling me that spirits have started coming into my compound.
No, sir.
What do you mean by no, sir? The food disappeared. One day, my daughter will also disappear.
Sir, it will not happen again.
So I'm sorry, sir.
It will not happen again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think I have to send you people back to the barrack.
Sorry, sir.
Now retire to the post immediately.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Uncle Boss.
Fila. This one where they do like this, waiting. Where the cruiser, my cruiser, where?
Uncle Boss. Guess, as I tell you, get some guys.
Wait, make I come down. What you the talk?
Wetin at the talk be say, a day, the view things, the view the way you instructed, I just the view. Some mumu guys just come pick our parcel waka.
Fila.
Uncle Boss.
Something they worry you for head. That's you did you observe. Now where some mumu come waka carry my parcel. You can't get mad to come here they talk of it. Make you not just carry me play.
See, palm tree we pass palm tree. You don't dare when me and you dey run things.
Relax. Make us confirm something. Dodo, now uncle they talk. Where you dey? I won't find out something from you now. Tell me the truth. Yes. For ORC, some people just go there now. Yes. They go zap my cruiser. You sure say no be you or your boys? You sure? Alright, relax. I go yarn with you later. Acid, where you dey? Of course, now uncle they talk. For overseas, it's just now. Now some people go rocket. Yes, my parcel, my equipment. I've been telling you, making they observe. You know they are where? You sure? Okay, don't worry. I go yarn with you later. Fila.
Uncle Boss.
at the ear ground.
Shut up and listen, Stone, now uncle they talk. You don't get my number again. Listen, for Oasis just now, some people go payload my equipment. Yes. I won't find out whether now you or now your boys do her. Oh, you never near that side. What of your boys? You sure? What of other sets where they are around? None of where you there. Wait. Alright, relax. Me and you go yarn later. Don't worry. I say relax. Chill out, eh? Okay, I go yarn with you later. Fila.
At the ear ground.
You fuck up where? You too fuck up.
Me at the ear ground the third time.
You know what you go do? I won't make you enter town now. Go find out who those idiots be. Those mumu. Where come zap my cousin? Where come payload my cousin?
See, if now what me go do to confirm my trueness, I go do that.
I said they disconnect from here.
Me go do.
For this cabal, for this kaku, say when me uncle go come organize something. Some idiots go from somewhere. In fact, I can see how they go payload my equipment. I can know what I go do for this cabal.
Rosie,
Daddy.
you know there is one thing that has been baffling my mind.
Daddy, what's that?
It's quite so unbelievable. Who could that be? Food served for me just to disappear. And only the place were left for me. Rosie.
Daddy, why don't you just let it go? I mean, let's leave it to God. God knows best.
Rosie, God knows the best. But why? Why?
Daddy, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Daddy, I promise it will never happen again.
I know it will never happen again, Rosie, but who knows? Tomorrow you might even disappear from me.
That is not possible. Nobody is going to steal
That
me
is why I
from
always
you.
pray to God. God is first. And you, I don't want anything to happen to you. You are so important to me. You know you are my princess.
Yes, Daddy, I know.
Rosie,
Daddy.
just anything that I will do to keep you, I will do that.
Daddy, always so serious. I don't know if it's this your military training. Daddy, smile.
If I'm not serious, they might steal you away from me. Do you understand me?
Yes, Daddy. Yes. Okay, Daddy. Thank you.
You're my angel.
Bros, you live for this place?
I live here.
You live here, Abi? Take.
Wetin be this now?
What did it look like?
Which kind letter be this now?
This one a letter from kidnappers. For the whole people where they live for this yard. You hear them? Guys, shut up! You want shout? Look, I tell you, our car park outside there. If you open one, now bullets will take closer for you. Make I tell you, we give una 5 days. 5 days, una no come pay up. Now una go see me. I dey tell you, if I move here, anybody do quack, we'll just come here, bomb this place, all of us go die. Nonsense.
Hey! Kidnappers! Oh, God,
George, palm tree, filler.
Me the ear ground.
Drum.
What they hear you.
Brass.
I do hear.
Which kind of nonsense be this? Just look at us. How be say people like us go come saturate Kakun? Riff raps go begin the cashing on her. How that can come possible?
You see what they vex me? Waiting they tear my nyash as they see me so. I don't plan as I go take my own canoe enter town. Find one flashy car like that way me I go to use inside town, they mianga. Now these people want to spoil my plan. Boy, take them. No. Take it here. No.
See, what in me they talk my own be say? You dey here, that is me. Say na me they go carry the money. Now, you don't see her.
Palm tree. George. Me I the verse. Me I the feel you. I say I the verse where?
Hi. Bros. There's no two ways about this. We don't run things. I mean, kill people, quench people, on people, four people hand. For this town, now we they run things, they happen. So make we know they worry ourselves, they tear body, they gra. See, what we need now is just to plan. When we just get these people come to our cabal.
Brass, now wait till you carry us come here.
We just cramp them, make we hold them for our hand.
Tell me what you come here.
I received letter yesterday.
Hey. Brass, you dey see? You dey see? 5,000 and 1 goat. What did this France want take goat to do? Are they going to native doctor? You dey ask me.
Oh, okay. You don't have to worry. This is a great opportunity. You see this letter now as it be. We don't get them. I just to fall in, bring them, cramp them, bring them, enter our cabal. See, with this one, a confirm opportunity. This letter, we use and hold them straight. One time.
Wait. But you know the location?
Boss, why you they ask me?
They answer me now.
Why you they ask me this kind of question? Me where they kurukere, miringere, every arena where do this place, now you they ask me. I don't hold, I they see them inside this letter now. As I hold this, I they see them. I don't they see them inside the letter. Feel me. I go hold
you
them.
know what we go do? We go give them this 5,000 and this 1 goat.
Hey, uncle, I the hot. Uncle, my blood the hot. Oh, Bramle go crazy in the lemaya. My blood the hot, uncle. Hey.
What in the one carry 5,000 1 goat to do?
You they ask me. But we go give them to them.
You catch them. You dey see wetin happen.
See, guy. Me no one see this thing. What do you mean want now? Not to catch those people, crush them. Because me want crash. I want crash.
In fact, may Papa God not forgive me. Because what I go do these guys when I catch them, eh?
I tell you, say at the hot, me at the hot. I will get more come on.
Make we dey run out now. What happen here?
Relax. No talk wetin we go do them. Afu be n'anya. Asi na wanya adeli ya. Wait first kwano. Make we just enter cramp them. Bring them enter our own cabal. Now only God, Baba God, now go come tell us. See make we leave them.
Country. Yeah, don't disconnect.
Alright guys, the food will soon be ready, okay?
Oh. Okay. You get what we forget to tell you.
Okay. What's that?
Our property, our luggage.
Yeah.
Where we carry come. We leave them for somewhere. So that time we still forget. We do for it. So we pack them for about 2 houses away from your own. It's one big bag. So? Ghana must go and one abaja. This cement but clothes, our clothes full up. So we won't go bring and come before the food go there ready.
You can't do that. Do you want to get shot? Do you know what it took me to get the military man out of the gate to bring you in? Don't even go there. Just tell me where the place is. I'll bring you free.
I had 2 houses away from here. 2 houses. That time when you come with us for this. Now we leave them for one shop where we go drink water, come chop bread. So we can't leave them for that woman shop. So come. So you go help us go bring them, eh? But we go be very careful for their maja. Because something where they break.
Wait. Something like a kiosk, right?
Shop.
I think I know the place.
See, broom.
Yeah, broom. Excuse me.
So please, everything of we own is inside the bag.
It's alright, I'll get it.
And don't play with the abaja because something when they break it inside.
How can possibly break it when you're back?
Small shut
And this thing come
small shut
okay, but don't forget to because that cloth is important to us.
Small shut up. Small.
Oh girl, from your house I don't see anybody. Maybe you are dry up. My dear, as you dey look me, I know that place so. All my things, every of my pin, they my sister house.
Hey, how?
So you know they this town? They write letter come house yesterday.
Which people write to them?
These boys now.
Which boys be that?
Kidnappers.
Jesus Christ.
Eh? They write, say we'll keep 3 million naira.
Hey!
3 million. 3 million.
No wonder. I come on here and I don't see anybody. Everywhere, even far I don't see.
Who go wait give 3 million naira? Everybody don't find a way.
You see you getting too much.
Everybody don't vanish. And as they look me, I don't disappear from this town because I no just get strength.
For me, tomorrow morning I dey travel.
Okay, they don't reach in our side.
They never. Who know whether we go be next target?
Maybe then they wait, make them go right. Can't give it.
Hey!
As they look me now, I don't disappear. I don't just get strength.
They say I'm the best side. I'm on top of the rest side. Catch this play when I do to the list side. Rappers are vexed side. Chasing me with a best side. So I'm not kicking up pep side. Not a threat side. I'm a jet side. Flyer than IRS side. Cop the flow tireless side. These rappers are kids side. No connections, wireless side. See my track list. I've been paving the way, John the Baptist. I've been doing my finger on the atlas. Rappers blowing up and I'm the catalyst. Some of them say they better than me. They must be high like a Lua. They should switch to Makusa. Can they tell I'm a boss? Some of them wanna blow side. Maybe they should come up baby toes. We are the mafia. We are hitmen. Taking hits every time that I spit, man. We are big man. So I call you the kid, man. Checking my fresh, checking my cool, checking my belt, checking my shoe, checking my car, checking my crew. It's equal a bit.
In-law! What are you doing in my house?
Okay, welcome. So now you. So now you be Roslyn, Papa. Thank you.
In-law.
Welcome.
Objection overruled. An objection sustained. We just want to ask whether Naim is Roslyn.
Let me ask you, how do you people manage to enter my house?
Okay. No vex. Excuse me. Thank you. No vex, eh? And our baby.
Exactly.
I didn't get here. Our baby. Our baby Roslyn. So it's our own.
Our collective baby.
Yes. What we will get next is a toy. After I might have finished dealing with you.
Yes. In-law. Don't be quarrel matter.
Eh? So you people are the people that has been messing up in my house?
Our chick. No, so sorry. Miss, now, something is long. When did I take things in your house?
Stealing my food?
We know they mess. We have mess control. We don't mess. In your house, we respect your house.
Very soon, other things will start missing. Do you understand me? I will deal with you people and you people will rot in jail.
Is it jail? Jail, out of jail.
I will deal with you people.
Abacha! Abacha! No, wait.
Huh?
Call another person. That name. That name, Abacha. Mba.
After you might have rotten in jail, you will meet the other one.
Hey.
Eh? Just try and deal with you.
I beg, please, I beg.
If I hear him from any of you again, I use this walking stick and break your head. Idiots.
I know, we agree, but please, just let the Israelites go.
You will rot in jail!
Pharaoh, let my people go. Please. Calm down.
Very soon, just few seconds, we will be in jail.
Please, I'm sorry, I'm tell Pharaoh. Pharaoh, let my people go.
Sorry for yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Expensive. Let's say you never really understand what you want make you do. If you want make you write this letter, word by word, each word go strong. So that when person read them, fear go enter your body, you go to shake. You go to shake before we know I don't drop money. No be so?
You can't go. I dey write and like love letter. Eh? See, when I give me work, don't allow me finish.
Now love like
person wey dey write threat letter, im hand just dey go through, im face so strong. Which kind letter be that? No spoil this business.
Oh, Agama and attacks. Make una allow expensive now to write the letter wey they write. Una wan make him make mistake? Eh?
Which mistake?
Let motel what you want.
We dey talk where person goes read them immediately pay. You dey say mistake.
Come, una no say expensive na our barrister now.
Barrister.
Una no know.
If she be barrister, na me be the writing director. I go tell am direct am on how to write am. You go write am well. Person see am read am one time, he pay money.
Agams, no vex. That post wey you talk just and call am again. You say you be who?
Writing director.
You.
Okay,
no problem. Come.
Where you dey carry am go? You wan go kill am?
No vex, bros. Abeg, I wan go beat this guy.
For one beat you.
You say you be waiting.
You wan beat you.
You be waiting.
No, if they allow you, you go touch me.
No, you say you be waiting.
Writing director.
Now my post dey collect.
Why you collect your post?
Hello?
Wait. Let's say somebody will come.
Good afternoon. Yes. Okay, so why are you bringing it?
They don't pay.
All right, thank you.
Tell me, bring am come here.
No, go bring am come here. They put am for bush, you go collect am.
Nah, you better pass.
That's the best.
Okay.
So how much will they bring?
How much?
No, my cousin.
Here, cousin.
Come. Who this guy dey work for?
You no know her.
Where you dey do business? You tell your cousin to dey call. Give us hope.
Na my phone.
If somebody call you like that, the way we take answer and be like person wey wan drop money, no answer am that way again, no.
So people no go come again.
Tell them make they no dey call you when we dey do this kind of business.
You no fit set am the way your cousin call no go dey come.
Wait, e don ring. E don ring again.
No, e go be im mama now.
Come, if na your cousin be this, I swear.
You no go answer before you drop.
Hello? You say?
Waiting. Who be that?
Commissioner of Police.
Hey!
Hey!
Who give our number?
How you take get the number?
Una sure say this girl no dey set us up.
This girl? You wan set us up? This company will never start. You don't want it.
Come, you dey set us up.
You need again? You don't do this. Beg am. Tell am say no be you want.
Hello? No, I got a mistake. No be you who won't call.
Or what?
No, I said no be you. No be how can I say we dey insult police? I said no be you who won't call.
Smile.
He's Emeka smile. No, na my friend. Sorry. Sorry, na mistake. This number, na one number call. Abeg, no vex. Thank you.
I will kidnap your family.
Hey,
na so this thing want to end.
I think
you don't ring again.
You don't ring again.
No answer again, no.
See, who don't spoil my phone?
Put the battery, comot am.
Comot the battery. Comot the battery.
If you are spoiled, I don't buy am. Na fit buy am.
We dey talk of prison. You dey talk of phone.
Yeah.
No be over sabi dey worry now. Why you go answer my call?
If you hear the man voice, we go mind wetin we dey do. So to use girl phone no good though.
I don resign. Pam. I no do again. This kind of company we never go anywhere. Police commissioner don dey call us. If we pass like this, IG go dey visit us every day. Bye.
So what happens to the letter I wrote?
Come, e dey create expensive. You know hear say the phone call wey we receive now na say na police commissioner call. Come, I dey suspect say e dey work with e dey set us up.
See, write this letter. When you write and finish, I will go submit am. If the money come, I give you small, take the remaining.
Agama,
you don't want to resign.
Wetin I dey resign for? Make I tell you, no retreat, no surrender.
Good, chop the money.
Agama, me, I don resign. For that, make una carry this una later. Come on for our house.
No be you bring us here. We go finish am here, at least one letter we write and finish here. The next one go write another place.
Mind, make una dey go.
Take them straight to the station.
Yes, sir.
What's going on here?
Stand up here.
Daddy?
Stand up.
Stand up. What are you doing here?
Stand up. Move.
Daddy,
I said move.
you're my friend.
Move. Now.
Shut up. How dare you mingle with those arrogant sleepyheads? Rosie.
Daddy,
You are wasting my time.
Oh, yeah, go. Sir, wait. Okay, shut up, barrister. Shut up, sir.
What is wrong? Look at Rosie! I'll break your head if I hear that. Again! Get out of my sight! Daddy will require
I think I need to call you Yari in Nagama. Since our terrorist business have collapsed, what is our next business plan? We don't run. Now make we count mile. But also I go mile. For our bank, your pocket, how much remain? I think due to international and local meltdown, we should be having about 80,000 naira in the account. I don't say it is you don't catch a book. As you look me a big rich, I don't get sense where you dey. Abi? Due to international meltdown, the money will remain for our pocket na 100,000. You hear? Yes. Just bring them, so that problem no go there. 100,000 naira. Well, 100,000 naira. Yeah. You be one joke with me before. Oh, you know said 100,000 naira. Then you start asking. I think say you be God picking. Me, I be God picking, and that's why I was able to even show you the other side of it. You try me with money. No try am again. You. Now, look at just ask you now. That money we are talking about now, how are we going to invest it? On what business are we going to invest it? Bring the money first. We enter town. Before we look around, you must see something to do. Okay, no problem. I go bring them out.
See, driver, I don't know your plan, but what I'm telling you is that you must share this money to everybody. There's no way you can take the whole money all alone. It's not possible.
Bia, I don't know your own. No. See, if I don't carry for my motor, you go get out. You talk to me this way. That money belongs to me, and that is final.
It's not possible. You must share this money to everybody in this taxi. You must share this money to Dick and Tom in this taxi,
including your Papa Wede village.
Come on, I beg. What are you people talking about?
My brother, see, God just give me full payment. Full payment for this Australian season. One house man. Now he enter my motor as he won't come out. He forget in briefcase. As I will open up, it contains 10 million naira. And this boy say make I share them with him. Is it a good idea?
10 million naira.
10 million naira.
Is that possible? You go share them. Is that possible? All of us wait there here no go get. Bros, I beg, we go 10 million naira na small money. I beg, back somewhere make we share this money. I beg, even if na 2,500,000, we share them each.
Even you?
Hey, not be even that one though. I see that Hausa man. Not be that Hausa man. Where they jump up and down for party.
You don't see any Hausa man. You don't see him.
Make we share it now. Make we share them inside motor. If you don't share them, I go tell the Hausa man no. Anya who deal. You gonna share. We not go share them inside the taxi. Park somewhere. Look for somewhere. Make we share them.
Make I pack them.
Park it. Park this your carton. Make we share this money.
Money, nothing where people never do for money. Some go beg, some go thief too for money. To get fine baby and buy fine car. I got man in French, they suffer for naira. Ijego, money matter. You get as it be. Ijego, to get a naira. You know easy oh. Ijego, I don't waka. I don't suffer tire. I don't know the day where my luck go shine oh. Ijego, money matter. You get as it be. Ijego, to get a naira. You know easy oh. Ijego, I don't waka. I don't suffer tire. I don't know the day where my luck go shine oh. Ijego.
They like this.
Hands up! No noise! Free the money. When I get money, when I want to share another person money, you need people. see this place for road, you go take organize you be mama now. See me anywhere, cancel. Bracket will say you know me. Cancel you that day. Better move! What? Come over here. Come. Hey, no noise.
Make you not just stress yourself. Now we take our hand, go put ourselves into this dirty mess where we go mad. The money don't go, and it don't go. Why you know they pay me too much? We say, you get as that money, take come. And the way we take come, that's so you take go.
See, you stupid man. Me, you stupid, no be small. See, it doesn't not be one thing. I go just hold you and cut you into two. True. Now, half map of Africa, I will take bottles, draw for your back.
You know fit.
You know say you the craze.
You the craze.
Don't make me vex.
You the craze.
After all, now you say make we follow them go get to 10 million. Where you don't even see with your two eyes.
Make it not just lie for my head. I know fit to die life like this. The bath, soap go full my eye. No come lie for my head though. That money, when we dey inside, I tell you say, make we share this money, make you take your own, make I take my own. He say, Now you see where the thing lead you? If we hold our own, I hold my own. Therefore not thief two of us.
See, I swear, if to say not be one thing, I for do one thing now, wait for bring out just one thing.
Waiting be that one thing where you want to do am now. That one thing if he pass the body, nothing they get what if he do.
So better for you make you die.
Idiot.
Go see him.
Now waiting be my own problem is say how we go manage survive now. Nobody this is where they talk. Oh.
You see, if I dey think how your papa take carry you, give me for hand, say make I help you survive. Anything wey you do, I go just forgive you.
You and my papa when I get the same character.
Okay. One thing dey enter my mind. And that thing wey dey enter my mind, if I tell you, we go combine am, na money be that.
Talk about I say.
That thing wey you put am, when you join am like come now. Money don't land you that.
Gama! Your mama!
Your papa let take me jail. Don't fire you. You don't know me.
I think say I heard dirty before. I don't know say the dry cleaner.
I just see this head. I don't see a bass chicken will be on. True. If you bring this man when they call Wale, Adam with Shika, Adam with all these things, he pass them.
In fact, I get the money, we go buy it.
Money, nothing where people never do for money. Some go beg, some go thief too for money. To get fine baby and buy fine car. I got man in French, they suffer for Naira. Ijego, money matter. You get as it be. Ijego, to get a Naira. You know easy oh. Ijego, I don't waka. I don't suffer tire. I don't know the day where my luck go shine oh. Ijego, money matter. You get as it be. Ijego, to get a Naira. You know easy oh. Ijego.